Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies very well before trying it out on your real account. Okay, you need to practice and perfect your trading skill on your demo account before going to your real account. This is very important. Okay, so before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Okay, these are the assets that we'll be looking at, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading account into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend maker trading indicator, and of course this started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, and of course it sold back, and after getting to this support zone, you can see that it's respected support zone around here also. So it went back up, and of course it has been buying since then. So it broke out above this particular resistance zone. Okay, and of course it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is boom 500 right from the resistance zone. It started selling and got stuck at this particular support zone, so it started buying right from there, but it was unable to go above this resistance zone because that's a resistance zone that have been tested earlier. Okay, so it was unable to break out above it, so it started coming down, even though it is playing around there for at the moment. If it's unable to go below this particular support zone, then definitely it will go back on buy trend, most especially once it breaks out above this resistance zone. So I still expect it to buy more. Okay, I expect it to buy more. However, I will wait for the breakout. I'll ask you to wait for the breakout between here and here before you go fully into it. That will give you a clear direction of where of the a clear direction of what you should go for. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Crash 1000. Remember, we are all on 5-minute time frame. This is crash 1000. This actually sold till it got to this support zone, and of course it bought again, and it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it started selling right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It's been on a very strong uptrend, got to this resistance zone, and of course it had a nice sell right from here till it got to this particular support zone, and it was unable to break out from there. So it started buying and still buying at the moment, except if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will sell more, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. Right from this resistance zone it started selling, and of course it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so it is around this support zone. If it's unable to to break out below it, then definitely to go back on buy trend. But once it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will buy. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God